Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do this makeup look. It's really simple, really easy. If I wore makeup every day, I would wear it every day, but I don't because I usually am not going anywhere. So when I do go places, this is what I like to do. So if you guys really want to see how I did this makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is me, barefaced and beautiful. At first, I usually start with washing my face. I go in with my salicylic acid Inky List cleanser, and then once I do that, I have to moisturize because I have super duper dry skin. So I use this jojoba oil and I just put that all over my face and I rub that in. And afterwards, I put on this polyglutamic acid. I think that's how you say it. I'm not 100% sure. It kind of gives you like a sticky base. So first thing I do is my eyebrows. I have my Benefit brow pencil and I just shape my eyebrows really quickly. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be looking down in my mirror because I can't look at the camera. It's not gonna work. And then once I finally get my eyebrow to this point, I know it looks weird and crazy. So this is what it looks like so far compared to my other one. I look nuts, but we're gonna fix it in a second. I literally have favorite eyebrows, and this one is my favorite right now because this one, I don't know, the hairs, they never sit right. Now when it comes to my eyebrows, sometimes I conceal them, sometimes I don't. I'm gonna conceal them too today just to give an example, but if I don't conceal them, I usually just take micellar water and a Q-tip and I just clean it up. My eyebrows are definitely cousins. They're not even like sisters, they're cousins, but at this point, I don't really care. So after I clean it up, I told you sometimes I go in and I conceal them, so I'm just gonna take this Clinique foundation that I've had forever. We're not gonna talk about how long I've had this because I'm pretty sure you can see in the past video that was like 3 years ago where I still have this. Don't tell anyone. I put this all over my eye anyway. So once I'm done with my eyebrows, I just go in and I put a dot or two because I'm just gonna cover the whole thing. And then I also take this little brush that I have. It's some like sort of elf brush. I go in and I can clean up my eyebrows too. For now, I'm just gonna blend in my eyes because I want like an even base. I don't do eyeshadow because I don't know. I definitely don't know what I'm doing. I've done it before, but it never turns out great. So I don't really do eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna take some of this and put it on my tiny little brush so I can clean up my eyebrows a little bit and kind of give it that snatched eyebrow look. So this is pretty much as good as it's going to get. Yeah, so that's how it looks when I clean up my eyebrow a little bit. I'm just gonna do the other one really quickly and then we'll get to the next step. Perfect. Okay, now that I am done with that, I'm just gonna blend it in just a little bit more, just to be on the safe side. And now I set it with powder. I have this CoverGirl powder. Like I said, I just got into makeup 2 seconds ago, so I get all the cheap stuff. So I take some of the powder and I just set my eyes just so I can have like a matte base. So this is how my eyebrows turn out. Once I get my eyebrows all done, then I go in with my, what is this? Just a concealer, this popular concealer. So this is what I go in with. It's in the shade Caramel. So I go in with this, and this is what goes under my under eyes just so I can brighten it up a smidge. And I make sure that when I put it on, I put it in like this kind of triangle thing, and then I bring it out just to really have my eye snatched, you know? All right, and that's kind of how I apply it. So just the other eye. Okay. I go in with the concealer over on my eyes, and then I kind of put it in the corner of my nose and the corners of my mouth and my chin. Then I go back in with my foundation because this is a little bit bright, so I want to mix it in on the sides of my face just a little bit. And then I put some on my actual face, a smidgen. And then I go in with this darker concealer and deep bronze. And I just put this like literally on top of my cheekbone, and I only do like a little dot. And this is my quote unquote contour. Oh yeah, and then I put it on my nose. I think I put too much. Yeah, I kind of think I put too much. I go back in with my light concealer and I highlighter. Now the next step is just to blend all of this out. I never really go on my forehead because I feel like, I don't know, something about forehead makeup. I just don't put it on my forehead because I feel like, one, I don't need it, and two, it just looks weird and cakey. Now I just blend all this in. Alrighty, so this is my cute little base I have here. My eyes look. Okay, next, I take my powder again and I just literally just set everything. Actually, should I do that? I don't know if I should do that. But anyway, I'm just gonna do it while everything is still like cream. I take the e.l.f. Putty Blush and I put that all over my cheeks too. I just go back in with my dirty beauty blender because I don't really care. Because this stuff is really pigmented, so I go in like a little bit. Like I do a little bit at a time because it's going to turn my entire face red. Yeah, see, that's a lot. Oh my gosh, I look like a clown on camera, but I assure you it doesn't look this crazy. Oh my gosh, this is coming out really well. Like, this looks really nice. Why do I look like a clown? It looks weird on camera. How do I look? Do I look okay? I think I look fine. Anyway, now I'm gonna set my face. And I just go back in with my powder, like I said, and then I set. And I don't really bake. I kind of just pet that thing in and go about my day. Okay, cool. Now, what's next? Next step on the agenda is eyeliner. Now, I'm not even going to attempt to try to get a great angle of this because I need to focus. But I have this NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. Is that what it says? Okay, anyway, it's the NYX pen eyeliner. And so it's in black, and I'm just gonna do like the tiniest little baby wing. At least I'm gonna try, unless it like grows, because sometimes it just grows. But I'm gonna try my hardest to show you. I'm gonna try. Is that good? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. I don't go all the way on the top of my eyelashes or my eye because I don't know how to do eyeliner on my eye shape because I have like hooded eyes and all this extraness, so I don't even try to do anything fancy. Then I go in the inner corner a little bit and I give myself kind of like that little cat eye look. Something real subtle. I remember talking about subtle and then it just like grew, but that's okay. It'll work for now. Now there's the other eye. The fan is on, so it's like drying out. Please don't do this to me. I'm butchering this wing. Oh my gosh, it's like drying out. Come on, now work. I just butchered this thing. What? Please tell me what that is. Not even the same size. I'm gonna cry. No, that looks stupid. Okay, now I have to fix it. BRB. Okay, so I got it for the most part. That was embarrassing. I don't like people to see me do eyeliner because then I get stage fright and I get nervous. So this is how the eyeliner turns out. I look crazy right now. Don't judge. But my favorite part, oh, nah, I'll wait. So I take my lovely little lashes. I just got these literally yesterday, and these are the ones that I've been looking for. These are my babies. These are my true loves. So they're the I Envy Mink luxury lash things, 3D, whatever the name is. Literally the perfect amount of wispy, the perfect amount of full, the perfect amount of everything I've ever needed in a lash. And I really wanted that full look because I was sick of those thin lashes. So here they are. Now it's just time to apply. I don't know if I can do this in here. It's gonna be so hard because I'm usually like in my mirror, but we're gonna have to make do with the setup. Okay, I'm taking my Duo lash glue, the green one, and I'm just gonna place it on the lash. So here, this is what I have. I'm just gonna blow on it and let it dry a little bit. I feel like if people see this, they're gonna call me a catfish because I do kind of look a lot different. But it is what it is. Now, for the hard part, I'm going to try to place this on. Ooh, I'm already messing up. I'm so much better at applying lashes on my right eye. Something about this eye always gets me, so I might have to fix it because I do look a little cuckoo. Like I want it to sit up. This one sits up more. Let me try to show you. Sorry, you couldn't even see that. I'm trying to focus. See, look at how much this one sits up versus this one. Like, I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna try to reapply it, but I don't know what I do wrong. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, so this is the best I could get them. I definitely had to curl this one up a little bit because this one was like, and this one was like, so I had to fix it, but this is how they look. I love it so much. Now next, I'm going to take my Neutrogena gel eyeliner and I'm just gonna line my waterline, tight line, waterline. I don't know the difference, but the bottom one. And yeah, just to give a little bit more oomph to the look, you know? Okay, and then sometimes I like take black eyeshadow and smoke it out a little bit under there, but I don't really feel like it. But for the most part, well, yeah, this is it. I'm done with the eyes. Now for the very last step. Oh, that's not true. But now for the second to last step, I'm gonna go in with my new Cocoa lip liner. This one is literally the exact color of my lips. This is new, so it's like I haven't necessarily tried it out to its fullest potential, but I'm just gonna try to align my lips a little bit, make them look a little bit more cool. Did that do anything? I think so. Okay. I may have went overboard, but yeah, I look crazy. 1 second. I'm gonna go over it with this brown lip liner. I think it's a little bit different. The LA Colors, whatever, auto lip liner. And I'm gonna put that on my top lip instead. Cause that one, you can't even see a difference. And you can see it, but it's, I don't know, it's weird. I got that from the beauty supply store and it's brand new. So I like haven't really put it to the test. And I think it's just hard to apply and that's why it's not showing up. But that is what I do. Give my lips a little bit of life and luster. Now, I'm just gonna take some lip gloss. This I got from the beauty supply store as well. And I'm just gonna apply and make my lips look all glossy and cute. This one has little sparkles in it too. And I love the applicator because it's like hooked. So it really latches onto your lips. It's sticky though. Not the best thing I've ever had, but it does the trick. Cute. Okay, and for the final step, I take my e.l.f. makeup mist. I spray it all over my face. Give me a second. I'm not getting my hair wet. You guys are funny. So I'm taking a shirt. Bro, don't laugh at me, okay? Okay, look at that, so cute. So this is my little makeup routine, everyone. I think I look so good. I can't stop staring at myself. All right, that's it for my makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got a few tips and tricks on what to do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.